Did you recently send an email marketing campaign and got very low open rates? Do you know that email marketing, if not done correctly, can damage your sender's reputation? Poor email marketing can increase unsubscription rates and decrease customer satisfaction. But you do not need to worry about these things anymore. This video will help you level up your email marketing. Follow all the tips to get a high email engagement rate, exceptionally low unsubscription rate, and increased customer satisfaction. And it is possible only if you follow all the 10 tips mentioned in this video. These are the tips you probably have not heard anywhere else. This video is going to be of immense value to you. So do not miss any part of this video. Following these tips will skyrocket your email engagement, and you will see a dramatic change in your email marketing results. Let's get started. Visually appealing email design. Make sure your emails are well designed and visually appealing. A well-designed email does not mean you need to use all the images on this earth and make it beautiful. It can be a plain text email or an HTML format. Whatever format you choose, ensure it is structured properly, not cluttered and easy to read. Your email should have a clear and compelling subject line that entices people to open the email. Email personalization. Personalize your emails by addressing the recipient by name and using other personalization tactics. One way to do this is by using the first name in the email subject line. Provide value. Write engaging and informative content that provides value to your audience and encourages them to take action, whether it's clicking on a buy now button, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading an ebook. The content of your email could be in the form of useful information, helpful tips, or exclusive offers. It should provide immense value to your recipient or solve a problem they may have. Split testing. It is essential to test your email if you want to get the best out of it. Many modern email marketing tools provide a way to split test an email. Use A/B split testing to determine which subject lines, email templates, and call to action buttons are most effective. If you want to learn more about split testing, I have added the link in the description. Watch it after completing this video. Email monitoring. If you want the best out of your email marketing campaign, it is vital to monitor your email marketing metrics, such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to understand how well your emails perform. Once you gather all the metrics, study them and adjust as needed. By the way, if you are finding value in this video, support me by clicking on the like and subscribe button. Mobile-friendly email wins. Make sure your emails are mobile-friendly. With more and more people accessing their emails on their smartphones, making sure your emails are easy to read and navigate on a small screen is essential. Be consistent. Consistency is key in email marketing. This vital element will help build trust and familiarity with your audience. Make sure you send emails regularly and stick to a consistent brand voice and design. This will keep them engaged with your emails. Make use of segmentation. Start by segmenting your email list. This will allow you to send more targeted and relevant messages to your subscribers. If you want to learn more about segmentation, please let me know in the comments below. If I get at least 10 requests, I will create a video for you. Avoid spam words. This is the most widely spoken topic in the email marketing industry. I have good news for you. This is becoming less and less of a problem with enhanced and intelligent AI technology. AI algorithms nowadays scan the entire email to get the overall essence of it instead of picking words and comparing them with the spam list. You can get away with using 1 or 2 spammy words in your email if you follow the above 8 tips. I know it because I have used these spam words in my email campaigns without landing in the spam or junk folder. However, try to avoid using words that trigger spam filters. Certain words and phrases, such as earn money fast, can cause your emails to be filtered as spam, so avoid using them. With the introduction of the Promotions tab in Gmail, have you figured out how to avoid sending your sales emails in the Promotions tab? If not, I have a video waiting for you. Click on the subscribe and notification bell icon to get notified when I release this video. Time your emails. Send your emails at the right time. Test different send times to see when your emails are most likely to be opened, and schedule your messages to be sent at that time. Now that you know these 10 tips to level up your email marketing, let me know which one you like the most in the comments section. I will make sure to reply to your comments. And remember to grab the free hand-picked tools listed in the description of this video. Thank you.